let's go. So first I'm using Dr. Batra's face serum. Prepping your skin is so much important for this makeup look because we are doing a natural glowing makeup look, and if you are doing this then you have to prep your skin to get a natural glow. So next I'm using Nivea soft moisturizer and applying on my face. Now priming my face with Swiss Beauty's Pearl Primer. It's my favorite primer, as you know, guys. Next I'm using Swiss Beauty's liquid foundation. If you have any type of matte foundation, please do not use in this look because it doesn't give you a glowing skin. If you have to create with matte look, if you have to work hard on highlighters and all, please use liquid glowing foundation. And in this look, please do as much as less as you can. Less is more as in this look. For concealer, I'm using the Fashion Factory concealer. I love that concealer, you know that. And as I told you on foundation, less is more. I'm just applying little on my under eye areas and my nose and my hyperpigmentation area, and blending it with the wet sponge. For setting my concealer, I'm taking the Clay's loose powder. Please do not put too much any powder because it gives a matte looks. If you put too much, then it will give you a matte, not glossy look. For setting my brows, I'm taking a Vaseline and a mascara wand and setting my brows. I am taking Vaseline just because I don't want to put too much on my brows, because it will give me high level of makeup or too much makeup. I just want some glossy and natural makeup. For eyes, I'm taking this pink glitter eyeshadow and applying on my inner corner to my outer corner or my crease, just with my fingers, because if fingers gives more pigmentation. Now it's got two pink, so I'm taking this brown glitter and applying on my outer corner of my eyes. Now I'm taking this light brown color and applying on my lower lash line to give a subtle look of my eyes, and it looks bigger when you apply some eyeshadow on your lower lash lines. So for highlighter, I'm using liquid highlighter, and this is from Swiss Beauty. And if you want some more highlighter in this look, highlighter is more important than anything else. So highlighter plus glowing skin, you have the best glowy skin makeup look. Just look at that, my cheekbones, my nose, and cupid of my lips. It's necessary because it leaves a glowing skin. For mascara, I'm using Glam 21 mascara, and I applied 2 to 3 coats of mascara because we are not applying liner or anything on our lash line. So mascara is important for making our eyes bigger. For lipstick, I'm taking the Bare color and applying on my lips, obviously. And I'm taking this color because it looks natural on my face and doesn't pop up my lips, just pop up my glowing skin. That's it. For hairs, I'm doing nothing complicated, just setting it like this, just flaunting my hair like this. And you know, when I have a good hair, I just flaunt my hairs. Just look at this glow on my face. It looks superb. It's wearable and you can wear this makeup anywhere, anytime. So if you like this makeup, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Stay happy, stay glam. Bye bye.